Hello students, today let's try a few more important questions from algebraic expressions, algebraic identities. Okay, so let's take the first question. So it's given root over 5x minus root over 2y into root over 5x plus root over 2y. Now what does it look like? It looks quite similar to a minus b into a plus b formula, which is equals to what? Which is simply a square minus b square. So here, what's the value of a? In place of a, we have under root 5x. In place of b, we have root over 2y. So what will be the answer for this question? It will be simply root over 5x whole square minus root over 2y whole square. Root over 5 square is what? 5. Then it will be x square. Root over 2 square is 2y square. Very easy question. Let's try another question. In this question, it's given 4x plus 2y into 16x minus 8y. Now, it does not look like anything, but if you notice carefully here, we can easily take 4 common. So, if we do that, what are we going to get? So, we'll write 4x plus 2y. If we take 4 out, what are we going to get? We'll get 4x minus 2y. Now, see, this one and this one looks quite similar, like it will give us a plus b into a minus b. That's why I only took 4 out, not 8. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll take the 4 outside. Then we have 4x plus 2y into 4x minus 2y. So now it's a plus b into a minus b formula. What's a is 4x. What's b is 2y. So what will be the answer? It will be 4 into 4x whole square minus 2y whole square. So what will be the value for this? It will be 4 inside bracket, it will be 16x square minus 4y square. It's very easy. Let's try a different question. Okay, here there are three terms given. One is x minus 2y, x plus 2y, then we have x square plus 4y square. If you look at the first two term, it looks like a plus b to a minus b. So we will directly write the answer. What will be that? It will be x square minus 2y whole square, which is what? Which is 4y square. So it will be x square minus 4y square, and we have x square plus 4y square. Again, now see, this one again looks like a plus b into a minus b. What's the a in this case? A is x square, b is 4y square. So what will be the answer? It will be simply x square whole square minus 4y square whole square. So what will be the answer? It will be x to the power 4 minus 16 y to the power 4. Simple. Let's take the next question. It's a little different. So here they gave us one expression and they're asking us to find the value when x equals to 3 and y equals to 6. Now the thing is, they're not expecting you to put these values directly in this equation and get the answer. You need to use the algebraic identities and simplify this expression first. So we have 49x squared plus 36y squared plus 84xy. Now watch. In place of 49x squared, what can we write? We can write 7x whole square. 36y square, we can write 6y whole square. And we've got a square plus b square. What should be the next value? It should be 2 into a, which is 7x, into b, 2y. Now let's see, we'll multiply and let's see. Okay, it should have been 6y. If that gives us 85, 2 7s are 14. 14 into 6 is 84, right? So it's exactly giving us this. So I just wrote it in a different way so that it resembles like one of the algebraic identities. So it's a plus b whole square. So what will be the answer? It will be 7x plus 6y whole square. Then, so we have simplified. Now we're going to use the values. So we're going to write 7 into 3 plus 6 into 6, and we have whole square. So what we're going to get will be 21 plus 36 whole square. What is 21 plus 36? 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus 2, 5, 57 square. So 57 square will be the answer. Easy. Let's take the next question. Okay. It will be this question, yeah. Quite similar to the previous question. So the expression given is 25x squared plus 16y squared minus 40xy. Let's try to simplify it. 25x square I can write 5x whole square. 16y square I can write 4y whole square. That's it's in negative. So let's see if it's 2 into a into b. So we'll write 2 into 5x into 4y. Let's see if that gives us 42 5s. 10 into 4 is 40. So it's exactly coming a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the answer will be 5x minus 4y whole square. Now we'll simply use the values. So we will do 5 into, it is 6. Then we have 4 into 7 whole square. What will be the answer? 5, 6 are 30, 4, 7 are 28 whole square, which is the 2 square. So 2 square is 4. So this is how we can easily solve the question. Let's take one more question. So one expression is given and they will ask you to write it as a perfect square. So what are they expecting? They're expecting you to simplify this expression in terms of an algebraic identity, quite similar to the previous two question we just did. So we have 4a square plus 9 by 25 by 12 by 5a. So what you should do is always start with the one which is given a square. So see if you can change the number into a square. So can I write it as 4 square as 2a whole square? Simple. Now next look at the term. See if you can write that term in terms of a square. I can write it as 3 by 5 whole square, right? After that there's negative. So it's 2 into a into b. Let's put these values and see if we get 12 by 5 into a. So 2 into 2a into 3 into 5. See, 2 to the 4, 4 is a 12, 12 by 5a. We're exactly getting it. So it's a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what will be the answer? It will be a minus b whole square. See, we have shown this expression as a perfect square. So these are a few important questions that we solved today. Last class we did few more questions. If you haven't watched the video, you can go back and check this video. I will see you students in the next class.